Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie and I live in Utah, Zone 6/7. Today it's time for another plant of the week. And today's plant of the week is Hypericum or St. John's wort. Now there's over 400 species of Hypericum. I'm only going to talk about 2 or 3. But before we do that, let's talk about the medicinal Hypericum, the medicinal St. John's wort. Now I don't grow that. I did grow it in California, I've never used it. I love growing medicinal herbs, but I don't necessarily use them medicinally because I'm not an expert in that. But that is Hypericum preferatum, I think is what it is, the scientific name. I'll put a name on the screen. But the one I grow is Hypericum inodorum. And the one that I have is called Magical Midnight Glow, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and let's show you that one. So right in here with the beautiful red berries, this is a Hypericum Magical Midnight Glow, and I love it. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like with the flowers. The flowers are yellow, and then you get these gorgeous red berries throughout the rest of the year. Now there's another one that I've seen at the garden center that I work at that is called Pumpkin, and it has orange berries. So let's go show you one on the other side of all these plants. Now this one's shoved back behind all my other plants, and it gets quite a lot of shade. This is on the south side of my property, but you can see how well it does even though everything is blocking the sun. So they get about 2 or 3 feet tall and wide, have yellow flowers near the end of spring, and then they hold on to these berries all summer long. I don't know if the birds like to eat them or not, but they are gorgeous. Also, I don't see any right now, but then I'll show you a picture of the new growth. The new growth has a reddish tinge to the leaves, which makes for an absolutely gorgeous plant. Now here's a picture of a different type of Hypericum that I see growing all over. This is my neighbor's plant. And it is an absolutely gorgeous plant. The leaf structure is a little bit different, the growth habit is different, but you've got the same yellow flowers. And that's how you identify them, is by those gorgeous yellow flowers. Now I haven't seen berries on this type of Hypericum, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Now Hypericum or St. John's wort are very drought tolerant once they're established. They do need full sun, can grow in part shade as you've seen with mine, and need well draining soil. And they're hardy from zones 3 through 9. So they are a fun plant to grow, a beautiful plant to grow, and I would love to hear the varieties that you've grown on your property and where you live in the world. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has been helpful, I hope you like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.